Alright, welcome to this video with me and my webcam. I'm smiling, but I am really nervous right now. Okay, focus. So today let's talk about something big. Let's talk about debugging tricky issues on applications hosted on your production Kubernetes cluster. Right? One unique use case is when you can't track the HTTP requests going to an external source or an external website. So you cannot track those requests because these are the requests that are going out. So let's check out how to fix those issues. Okay, so let's assume that your application is mutta.substack.com and you want to inspect what's going on. So you can press Ctrl Shift I, that will bring you on this, or you can just right click and then you can click inspect and switch to the network tab and still brings this for you. So when you load this application, you can see these are all the HTTP requests made by this browser to your Kubernetes application hosted on your Kubernetes cluster. Okay, now if you notice, some of the URLs, some of the requested URLs are not going to your website, or going to other website, and you cannot track this because this is the request generated from this browser, from the client's browser, and you cannot track it. And if you are facing any issues with this, let's say if 500 issues are coming, your application is not performing as the way it should perform or it should work, right? So you get complaints from all of your customers. One way to debug these kind of issues is you can right click and then you can ask your users to save all the hair content and then save it on his local system and send it to you on your via an email or via Microsoft Teams or whatever, right? So how do you analyze this, the files? The moment you get that HAR file, you can just go to hair, click on search for hair analyzer, and you can click on this first link and you can choose the file. Right now this is my first file, which is generated from my Chrome browser, and you can analyze what are the requests that were sent from his user's browser to external third party. Now you don't have any issues here. All the requests are good, everything is fine, and you don't have any issues in this specific use case. Now let me switch this to my Brave browser, because Brave is known for blocking your JavaScript requests. So I'll look at my network tab and I will reload my application. You can clearly see that these requests are blocked, and your user does not know that these requests are blocked, and you don't know what is happening in his or her browser. So you can quickly ask them to right click and again save all this hair content. I already have saved it, as you will get this hair file via an email or any other mediums, and then you can quickly analyze this file using this Google admin toolbox, and you can switch back. You can turn off all these HTTP requests, and these are the requests that are not at all going from his local desktop to the external website. This is getting blocked. So this is the reason why he or she is facing issues. So this is one good way, one great way of fixing production issues, especially which cannot be tracked. I hope you found this useful. My name is Mutta, and until we meet next time, smile.